Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Maya and Alex podcast.
Hi, I'm Alex, and this is Maya. We are happy you are here.
This podcast is for people who want to learn English. We talk slowly, we use simple words, and we talk about normal things from everyday life.
Yes, just two friends talking. And you listen. That is it. Today we talk about daily routines.
Daily routines. This means the things you do every day. Like, what do you do in the morning? What do you do at night? These are your daily routines. Okay, Alex, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Oh, that is early.
Yes, I like the morning. I like it when it is quiet.
I understand. In the morning, the house is quiet. No noise. It is nice.
Exactly. So I wake up, then I go to the kitchen, and I make coffee.
Coffee, very important.
Very important, I need coffee. Every morning. Without coffee, I'm not happy.
I understand. I drink tea, not coffee. Tea.
Tea is good too.
Yes, I make tea. And then I sit. Just sit. And I drink my tea slowly.
That sounds nice. Peaceful.
Yes, peaceful. That is a good word. Peaceful means calm. Quiet. No stress.
I like that. My morning is peaceful too. I drink my coffee, I look outside the window. I do not look at my phone.
Oh, really? No phone in the morning?
No, not right away. Maybe after 30 minutes.
That is a good habit.
I think so. It helps me start the day slowly.
Okay, so after your coffee, what do you do next?
I take a shower, a hot shower.
Hot or cold?
Hot, always hot. I cannot do cold showers.
I try cold showers sometimes.
Really?
Yes, a cold shower wakes you up very fast.
I believe you, but no thank you.
Okay. So, shower. Then what?
Then I get dressed, I put on my clothes, and I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
Usually eggs and toast. Toast is bread, but you put it in the toaster and it gets warm and a little crispy.
Yes, I love toast. Simple but good.
What about you, Maya? What do you eat in the morning?
I eat fruit, like a banana or an apple. Something light. Light means not heavy, not a big meal, just something small.
I understand, okay? So that is the morning, wake up, drink coffee or tea, take a shower, get dressed, eat breakfast, and then go to work or go to school.
Yes, the morning is busy, but a good routine makes it easier.
That is true. When you do the same things every day, it becomes easy. You do not have to think about it.
It is automatic.
Exactly. Automatic. Now let's talk about the afternoon.
The afternoon. So, after work or school, what do you do, Alex?
In the afternoon, I take a break. I go outside for a little walk.
A walk. I do that too. It is good. Fresh air. You feel better after.
Yes, sitting all day is not good for you. So a walk helps. Even 10 minutes outside and you feel different.
Better? Yes. I also eat lunch in the afternoon, around 12 or 1 o'clock.
What do you eat for lunch?
Sometimes a sandwich, sometimes leftovers. Leftovers are food from the day before, like you cook dinner on Monday. You have some food left. On Tuesday, you eat that food. That is leftovers.
Yes, it saves time and money, very practical.
And in the afternoon, around 3 or 4, I feel a little tired.
Me too, that is normal. Many people feel tired in the afternoon.
So I drink another coffee.
More coffee.
Yes, just one more, a small one. I drink water too. I try to drink a lot of water every day.
That is a good habit. Water is important. Sometimes when you are tired, you're just not drinking enough water.
That is true. People forget to drink water. So drink your water, everyone.
Good advice. Okay, evening time, my favorite.
By evening,
Because work is finished, I can relax.
relax. Yes, that is a good feeling. The best feeling.
So in the evening, I cook dinner, or sometimes I order food. Order food means you use your phone, you call a restaurant, or you use an app, and they bring the food to your house.
Yes, delivery, food delivery. Very easy. Maybe too easy.
Sometimes you just don't want to cook, and that is okay. We all have those days.
After dinner, I watch something. A series or a movie. I like to sit on the sofa, under a blanket, and watch something good.
That sounds very comfortable. And then around 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed.
Get ready for bed. That means you prepare for sleep. Brush your teeth, wash your face, change your clothes, put on pajamas. Pajamas are the clothes you wear when you sleep. Comfortable clothes, soft clothes.
And then you go to bed, and hopefully you fall asleep quickly.
hopefully. Sometimes I look at my phone too long and then I cannot sleep.
Yes, that is a problem for many people, a bad habit. But we are all human.
Exactly. Okay, time for our word of the day.
Yes! Every episode we have one special word, one word that is very useful.
Today's word is habit.
Habit. Habit. A habit is something you do regularly, every day, or almost every day, without thinking.
Like brushing your teeth. You do it every day. You do not think about it. It is a habit.
Drinking water every day, that is a good habit. Looking at your phone before sleep, that is a bad habit.
We all have good habits and bad habits. That is normal.
The important thing is, try to have more good habits than bad ones. So the word is habit. Say it. Habit.
Habit.
Good, remember it, use it.
Okay, everyone. That is the end of episode 1. Today we talked about daily routines. Morning, afternoon, evening.
And our word of the day was habit. Thank you for listening. We hope it was easy to follow.
Now it is your turn. Write in the comments. What time do you wake up? What does your morning look like? Write it in English. We want to read it.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.